Now that seems to be everything inside the box. Very nice packaging, very secured, and I really love the packaging. Very, very premium as you saw, and also all of the accessories. You even get the screwdriver and all of the necessary stuffs to open up the keyboard, so everything that you will need will come with the box. Very, very nice. As you can see, I do have the retro wide variation over here. I think it looks amazing and would really fit my setup. But yeah, you can also get it with the Anno Gray or Anno Jade Green color. Very, very nice colors as well, variations. But yeah, first impressions on how the keyboard looks like. Very, very high quality. Top cover, the bottom case, as well as the weight are all aluminum. Very, very nice, very high quality. I love it. And the keycaps as well, the colors they used really fit each other. It fits the whole keyboard as well. Now a little more detailed look on the keycaps over here. These are PBT dye sublimated keycaps. Very high quality. I really love how they look like. And then for the switches, these are the LUMINKEY Silva switches, linear. And yes, this keyboard is hot swappable, or the PCB. I already gave you guys a little sound test earlier. Very, very nice sounding switches. It feels very smooth. I don't have any problems with how it sounds like. And if you're curious about more specs, I'll go ahead and flash the pictures over here. Very, very nice. But yeah, let's actually go ahead and listen to the keyboard more with the switches and the keycaps on. That sounds crazy good, bro. What? I love that. And the spacebar as well, especially the spacebar. The stabilizers on these and sound so freaking good. You could definitely tell they made a lot of efforts in making this keyboard sound good. But I actually want to also open up the keyboard here. So let's do that. Okay, 8 screws removed. We can do this. You can actually see the layers inside over here. You can also see the top mount and a little bit of the PCB. Very nice. But yeah, another thing that makes this keyboard amazing is you can change and put the numpad on the left over here. Here's a little view of the numpad. And yeah, you don't need to connect any wires. As you can see, you just have to align these stuffs on the bottom of the PCB over here. So I'm just gonna align that over here to put that on the left side like so, and then this can be put over here. And yeah, this is how it will look like if you use it on the left side over here, the numpad. Very, very nice, very customizable. I really love that. But yeah, I will be sticking to this layout with the numpad at the right. But yeah, let's say you switch the places of the numpad. Should be easy. You can just close it off again like this, and you should be all set. Now let's go ahead and talk about the features and the performance of this keyboard. Now the PCB of this keyboard is tri-mode compatible, so you already know you can use it wired, wirelessly with the 2.4 GHz or Bluetooth. Very nice. It also supports Windows and Mac OS. For the polling rate, you can use it wired or with the 2.4 GHz mode, and it will be 1000 Hz. But if you use it Bluetooth, you can have 125 Hz max, I'm pretty sure. So yeah, 1000 Hz, I'm probably going to be using it wired or with a dongle anyway. Very nice. I'm going to go ahead and flash some more specs in the screen. But yeah, I already mentioned top mount, hot swappable. You can switch the numpad left, right. Very nice. But yeah, without further ado, let's actually go ahead and plug this keyboard in. See its software and other features over here. But okay, I have the website over here, first link in the description. So yeah, if you have their website, just go to support firmware and it should bring you here. And then just scroll down, go to LUMINKEY98, click on one of these, download it. Okay, for some reason I had to edit the file name, remove the .1 over here, but yeah, they might be able to fix this already as soon as you finish watching this video. But yeah, just change it to .exe at the end. Just remove this .1 over here, and then yeah, you'll be able to open it. But yeah, here is the software. As you can see, first main, we can go ahead and reprogram some buttons over here. We can also set macros, media, mouse over here, set different layers, forbid, reset, confirm, reset, configuration, add, rename, share, delete, different profiles over here, other settings, key sensitivity, sleep time for the wireless, for the Bluetooth, very nice. And then FN settings, you can also change your FN stuffs, very customizable. And then next we have macros over here, and then share, you can share your profile settings, I guess. Yep. And then my account, you can log in, register, about, you can make sure you're on the latest version. Yep, I am in the latest version. Change your language, start automatically, close, select picture, very customizable. I do not really see a setting to change the lights. I mean, I don't even see any RGB actually. There was a little indicator light over here, I think. But yeah, if you want to use it wirelessly, of course, get the dongle over here, plug it in the computer, and then we gotta turn it on. It's under the shift key over here. There is the switch. The switch is over there. I got the screwdriver that came with it over here. I flick that up. Let me remove this. Then let's do FN plus R to make it wireless. Okay, so there we go. If you want to use it with the wireless dongle 2.4 GHz, press FN plus R, and then once it starts blinking fast, plug in the dongle at the PC or whatever device, and it should work. I tried plugging the dongle immediately and then doing the FN plus R, but yeah, that kind of didn't work. But yeah, everything's working now. For more detailed instructions, you can go ahead and check the quick start guide over here. The keyboard is performing pretty well so far. I really like it. It is working wirelessly perfectly, but yeah, here's a little more typing test. Nice. I had no problems with that. Very nice typing experience actually. So far this keyboard is performing perfectly. The quality, everything is just so premium. I love it. But yeah, that's gonna be it for my review of the LUMINKEY98 over here. I've been having an amazing premium experience so far. I've been loving the customizability, the features of this keyboard, the feel, and of course the looks as well. It just looks so freaking good. But yeah, I think it's a really nice keyboard. I'll go ahead and put the first link in the description, and you can use my discount code MIGSS for some discount, and you can also use my affiliate links in the description. It would really help me support the channel a lot. I really appreciate it. But yeah, a little disclaimer as well, this keyboard is sent to me by LUMINKEY, but that won't change my review. Everything that you've been hearing are my honest opinions and review. But yeah, don't forget to stay grateful, guys, and remember, Jesus loves you. Bye bye.